What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review, man. Today I'm currently on the main streets of the city, boy. Headed up to catch up with the homie, man, so I can get y'all a early, yeah, I said it, early look at these Jordan 11 Concords, man, the shoe of the year. The shoe that has eluded my grasp for years and years and years. I have not had this shoe. One of the few Jordans that I've never had. So we're gonna get up here, man. We're gonna get some looks at it. I'm gonna show it to you on this dull, dreary day, man. And we're gonna get into it. Once I touch down, man, I'll be right back at you. All right, man. We got you locked and loaded on these 13s, boy. See that size tag? This pair officially came from Nike, man, with that $220 on that price tag, man. That's crazy, but I'm still gonna buy them, you know what I'm saying? You got your retro box that they've been putting everything in, man. I wish they did the pull-out box, man, and gave us something fly, bro. But they playing as usual. God, these things are fresh, boy. You got your black paper in here. Nothing more but the black paper. Quality control sticker right there. You know what I'm saying? That thing is blazing. But for now, what you here for? Let me see how I'm gonna be able to do this. So I ain't got a lot of space, my G. In the car or whatnot. It's my first car review, man. Y'all be patient. Don't judge my cup holders. But yeah, bro, there you go. That high cut patent leather with that all mesh upper. Translucent sole on that bad boy. Peaks on them. Your all rope laces, third spacing on point with that Concord jump, man. As always. I always wish they do something different with the mesh, man, but it's all good. I ain't tripping. Jump, man, right there in the black. That nice leather on that thing. 45 stitched on them. I mean, not stitched, screen printed, but it's all good. Still see the high cut. That sole. Bangers. Definitely gonna have to get my hands on a pair of these. Still factory laced. You got your Concord shoe tree in there. My camera's not really picking it up. I apologize for the quality, man. I'm on my celly telly and not my big boy camera or whatever, but these things are dope, man. For years, bro, this shoe has eluded me, man. This year is gonna be my year. You see, you got your purple pods on there. Just wanted to give you guys a look for everybody that's considering grabbing these. Peek there, side peek, toe box peek. You know, third space, and make sure you guys don't get got, bro, because it's gonna be a lot of fakes rolling around. Carbon fiber. Make sure you do not get got, boy. You feel what I'm talking about? But hey, dope shoe, man. Crazy. Big shouts to bruh, man, for James, man, for letting me do this joint, man. Woo! Yeah. I'm all in. I'm gonna probably double up, man. And I don't double up on nothing, but I'm probably gonna double up on these. But that's your quick look on the early for y'all, man. That's what Nike's shipping out, bruh. Let me know what you think about them in the comments. Are the Concords overhyped? Is it just a regular shoe? You think they're gonna sell? Sit? What? Let me know. All right, man. There you have it. Them Concords, boy. Woo! They ready. Probably gonna double up on them things. They looking real good, man. Real good, man. It's gonna be a big year, boy. Definitely top 10 and 11s, man. Hands down. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But I appreciate y'all stopping through, man, checking out the vid, man. And it is what it is, bro. We'll get at you next time. I'll holler at you.